Welcome back to YouTube the Game. You've now established a solid foundation by understanding the crucial role of video formats, effectively attracting those valuable subscribers, mastering the art of crafting compelling thumbnails, and writing click-worthy titles that draw viewers in. Now, in Level 5 content, we're going to fuel the engine of your channel's growth with the very lifeblood of any successful YouTube presence: consistent and high-volume content creation. This level will delve into the essential strategies for establishing a steady and reliable stream of videos that keeps your existing audience eagerly engaged and actively attracts a continuous flow of new viewers to your channel. Think of your content as the very fuel that propels your YouTube engine forward. Just like a well-maintained machine, the more high-quality fuel you consistently provide, the faster and further your channel has the potential to go. Both the consistency of your uploads and the overall volume of content you produce play absolutely crucial roles in keeping your current audience satisfied, feeling connected, and significantly increasing your organic chances of discovery by new viewers. Building audience expectation. Establishing a regular and predictable upload schedule, whether that's daily, a few times a week, or even bi-weekly, is a powerful way to train your audience to know precisely when they can anticipate fresh, new content from you. This predictability fosters a sense of anticipation and actively encourages them to regularly return to your channel, knowing when to expect your latest video. Staying top of mind. In today's incredibly crowded and competitive online landscape, consistent uploads are essential for keeping you and your content relevant in the minds of your subscribers. By providing a steady stream of new videos, you actively avoid the risk of being forgotten amidst the constant influx of new content on the platform. YouTube's sophisticated algorithm tends to favor and reward channels that demonstrate consistent uploading behavior. Regular activity signals to the platform that your channel is actively engaged in providing fresh and engaging content, which can positively impact your discoverability and reach. Consistent uploads create a continuous and reliable stream of new content for both your existing subscribers and potential new viewers to discover. This steady flow of fresh videos naturally leads to sustained growth over time as more people find and engage with your channel. The key to sustainable consistency lies in finding an upload schedule that is realistic and manageable for you in the long term. Avoid the common pitfall of overcommitting to a frequency that you ultimately cannot maintain, as inconsistency can be significantly detrimental to audience trust and algorithmic favor. Begin with a schedule that you can realistically manage without burning out, and then gradually increase your upload frequency as your content creation skills and overall workflow become more efficient. Beyond the crucial aspect of consistency, the overall volume of content you produce also offers significant advantages for channel growth. More opportunities for discovery. Each individual video that you successfully upload represents another distinct opportunity for new viewers to organically find your channel through various avenues, including YouTube search results, the platform's recommendation engine, and the increasingly important YouTube Shorts feed. Essentially, the more high-quality content you have available, the more hooks you are casting into the vast and ever-expanding ocean of YouTube content. Experimentation and learning. Maintaining a higher volume of content creation allows you a greater degree of flexibility to experiment with different topics within your niche, explore various video formats, and try out diverse content styles. This valuable experimentation provides you with crucial data and insights into what truly resonates most effectively with your specific audience. Building a content library. A substantial and well-organized library of videos effectively establishes you as a valuable and comprehensive resource within your chosen niche. When new viewers discover your channel and see a significant backlog of relevant content that they can readily explore, they are demonstrably more likely to subscribe, knowing that there is more valuable content waiting for them. Meeting diverse audience needs. Even within a relatively focused target audience, different viewers will inevitably have different specific interests and preferences regarding the type of content they want to consume. A larger and more diverse library of videos significantly increases the chances of you having something that appeals to everyone within your intended audience. Playing the numbers game. As you astutely mentioned, to a certain extent, success on YouTube is also a numbers game. The more high-quality videos you consistently create and upload, the more cumulative opportunities you have to garner views, attract new subscribers, and ultimately grow your channel's overall reach and impact. Finding that crucial sweet spot, the right balance between maintaining consistent uploads and strategically increasing your overall content volume, is absolutely key to avoiding creator burnout while simultaneously maximizing your channel's potential for sustained growth. Consider implementing these effective strategies. Batch creation. A highly efficient technique involves planning, filming, and even partially editing multiple videos in a single, dedicated content creation session. This streamlines your production process significantly and ensures that you always have a backlog of ready-to-publish content. Efficient editing. Actively work to develop and refine an efficient and streamlined video editing workflow. By optimizing your post-production process, you can reduce the overall time spent on each video, allowing you to produce more content without sacrificing quality. Repurposing content. As we will delve into in greater detail in Level 7, strategically get more mileage out of your existing content by creatively adapting it into different formats for various platforms. A long-form video, for example, can often be effectively repurposed into multiple shorter clips for shorts or social media. Prioritize quality initially. When you are first starting out on your YouTube journey, it is often far more beneficial to focus on producing slightly less frequent uploads of genuinely high-quality content rather than overwhelming yourself with a high volume of videos that are ultimately of lower production value or less engaging. As your content creation skills and overall workflow naturally improve over time, you can then strategically aim to increase both the quality and the volume of your output. There's a crucial fact that many creators often overlook. Most viewers aren't subscribers. It's essential to remember that a significant portion of the views your videos receive will consistently come from individuals who have not yet taken the step of subscribing to your channel. Therefore, don't be afraid to strategically re-upload older but still highly relevant and valuable evergreen content to your channel. You have likely gained a significant number of new subscribers since you originally published that content, and they may have never even seen it. Additionally, the YouTube algorithm might just give that older content a fresh look and renewed visibility. When considering re-uploading your older content, think strategically about how you can potentially improve it for a new audience. Consider these enhancements. Better editing. Have your video editing skills improved noticeably since you originally uploaded the video? If so, take the opportunity to enhance the visual appeal and pacing of your older content with your updated skills. Freshen up the overall feel of the video by incorporating updated background music tracks and more modern or engaging visual transitions between clips. Based on everything you've learned in previous levels about the critical importance of click-worthy thumbnails and engaging titles, take the time to create more compelling visuals and optimize your titles for better searchability and click-through rates. If the topic of your older video has evolved, or if you have gained new insights or information since its original publication, consider seamlessly incorporating these updated details into the re-uploaded version. Fuel your channel with consistent value. Consistent and high-volume content creation is the powerful engine that drives sustainable and long-term growth on YouTube. By diligently finding a manageable and realistic upload schedule that works for you, strategically and thoughtfully increasing your overall content output as your skills and workflow improve, and even intelligently revisiting and re-optimizing your older, valuable content, you can effectively keep your existing audience consistently engaged, continuously attract a steady stream of new viewers to your channel, and ultimately win the long game of YouTube success.